Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, we're discussing 6 hacks to make more money as an Uber and a Lyft driver. So before I get started, I want you all to click the thumbs up button and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Number 1 is using an app called Solo. This app not only tracks all of your miles automatically, they help you track your expenses, huge tax saver, but they also pay you money per hour when you go out and drive. You basically sign up with this app, link your gig account, and they're gonna estimate how much money you should be making in that hour. And if you don't meet that, they're gonna pay you the difference. So we'll have a link below for Solo. Number 2 is signing up for a company called Octopus. They will send you a tablet for free, and you basically put this tablet in your car and your passengers will play games on the tablet. You as a driver make an extra $100 a month. Okay, number 3, we're talking about driving early in the morning. If you're not taking advantage of early AM airport rides, you're gonna get a lot of rides to the airport in the morning and people going to work. And not only are these rides really easy because everyone's in a good mood, they also pay a lot more and people tip a lot more in the morning, right? People wanna start their day off on the right foot. And then you notice at night, people tip a lot less because they're like, shoot, I already spent a lot of money today. I'm not gonna, spend money. All the morning drivers are getting all the big tips. So you gotta start driving at like 4 or 5 a.m. Okay, number 4, another hack to make more money is taking advantage of the bonuses that Uber and Lyft throw at you. Number 1, if you're a newer driver, hit that guaranteed bonus amount. They're gonna send you, make $3,000 for giving 100 rides, whatever it is. Hit that amount, make sure you hit that amount. And, if you don't, you're just missing out on free money. And then also look at the quests and bonuses that Uber and Lyft send out every week. And for a lot of them, for Uber now, you actually have to sign up for it. So make sure you're signing up for that quest bonus so you don't miss out on that money. Okay, number 5, another hack is you can get cash back on your gas. So there's a lot of apps out there that actually pay you money. And as an Uber driver and Lyft driver, you're gonna be spending so much money on gas. So if you can save 20, 30 cents per gallon, sign up for some of these apps and you can get that get that gas savings. Okay, the last tip, and I'm gonna be really, straightforward with this one, but it's after you do, come up with a strategy. And, a lot of people are saying, oh, my strategy is just drive 15 hours a day, drive from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. That's not my strategy. My strategy, well, you got to come up with your own for your market, but the main strategy is use both apps, both Uber and Lyft. And after you complete a ride, park. Don't drive around looking for rides. You're going to waste a lot of gas and miles on your car. Instead, what you want to do is sign up for both apps, Uber and Lyft. And once you complete a ride, and let's say you don't have a ride, go online on both. And then as soon as you get a ride on one, go offline on the other one immediately, accept the other one, and boom. Just try to eliminate all the wait times you have, so that way you're not waiting in between rides so you can make the most amount of money. All right, guys, those are the 6 hacks to make more money as an Uber and Lyft driver. Let me know if I left out any, and let me know what your favorite one is. Thanks for watching. You guys are great. And I'll have links below to sign up for Solo. And we'll send you $15 when you use our link. I'll have a link for Octopus, and I'll also leave a link below for GetUpside, the gas saving app. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.